Welcome to another installment of Thread Talks. Today, we will be discussing Splendor, a versatile 100% silk thread that comes in 360 different colors. The wide range of colors in Splendor silk makes it a great choice for those matching threads to intricate designs. Splendor can also be stitched in a variety of ways, making it an even more versatile thread. We have used Splendor silk in many different kits for stitches like double brick stitch on the Santa cones, tent stitch on the Verona bauble, and cross stitch on the prayer plant. These beautiful colors paired with fun stitches make all kinds of designs stand out when stitched. Another reason that Splendor silk is great for a variety of designs is that it is 12-ply, made of 3 4-ply bundles. This allows Splendor to be strand-able to fit different project sizes. You can refer to our handy plying sheet to figure out which amount of plies is right for your project. Splendor silk is sold on 8-yard cards and can be used in many different ways. On the Toucans kit, Splendor makes the vibrant greens stand out in each tropical leaf, even through the acrylic tray. We hope this has helped you feel ready to stitch with Splendor silk. Kit your next project in Splendor today at Needlepoint.com.